You got him. Get ready to hit him again.
Big 3-point. Big mature buck. The first shot I shot at him, he's probably around 350 yards. I think it went under him. I held right on him. The second shot, he was going away, so I aimed between his shoulder blades and I hit him back further back than I wanted to, but he's down right down there. It's a hell of a 3-point peacock.
Nice, buddy.
He's gonna look really nice because he's got some ass, long tines. All right, man, let's go.
Good job, man.
About as big as a 3-point gets. 17 inches probably. Awesome, Brad. Right here,
That's a stud buck, buddy. Woo!
Yeah.
That thing is
You
cool.
can see those bird points out at 350 yards. That's awesome, boy. He's gonna a beautiful mount. Old buck too. Look at that.
That's what it's about, man.
Big buck. Oh, he's gonna be fun getting out. Boy, he's huge. 18, 25-inch chest. Big buck. Here in Utah, right outside of Woodruff, hunting with Brad Peacock. Awesome.